What's going on, guys? JR here, and in the following video I'm going to show you exactly how I made my first $10,000 in 1 month using ClickFunnels. It was super simple. I got clients, and I'm going to show you how I got those clients, and I simply sent traffic from Facebook to a ClickFunnels landing page, and I'm going to share that landing page with you below this video. You do need a ClickFunnels account to take advantage of that offer, but the good news is there's a free 2-week trial. So hopefully you get some value out of this video, and thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure you comment below as well, and let's get right into it.
All right, guys, so I took this very simple ad that you see here, and I ran it on Facebook in people's news feeds in the local area that I was targeting. So I targeted women from the age of 21 to 64, I believe, on Facebook in my client's area, with this very simple offer: exam, consultation, x-ray, doctor's report of findings, and adjustment for $21. The reason this worked is because it's such a good deal. Then I just put some images of the chiropractor doing adjustments and taking pictures with their staff and patients and stuff like that in an image carousel. So once the potential prospect sees this ad and clicks it, then they're then taken to this landing page. So this is where ClickFunnels actually comes in. So the purpose of this page is simply to capture people's information so that our client can call them, have them come in, take advantage of the offer, and then hopefully continue care from there. So this is what it looks like when you press the button and the potential prospect has to give the information. Once they click send it, they're then taken to this page, and this is just a confirmation page that says, due to the limited number of vouchers available, they will be given on a first call basis. You're trying to prompt people to give your client a call versus them having to call them. So this is the funnel that I will be giving you guys along with this video. Now I'm going to show you. So it's really that simple. You just run a Facebook ad to a ClickFunnels landing page, collect information for your client, and that's it. Clients will pay from $1,000 a month to $1,500 a month for this service, for you to perform this service for them. So now that I showed you pretty much the entire process start to finish, I'm going to show you how to get those clients so you can start putting this funnel to use. All right, guys, so this is a little bit more of an intermediate way to get clients to use this funnel with. I simply made a video showing them exactly what I'm going to do for them. See, I walked them through the ad that I showed you guys. I walked them through the landing page. I make it a little bit more fancy to try to impress them a little more. I walk them through the thank you page. And then at the end, I offer them to do this whole process for them for free on a trial, on a 1-week trial basis. Then I do this whole thing for them for a week, show them results, and then close them on $1,500 a month. So it's very simple, but you have to, there are some variables. You have to be good on video. I just simply targeted chiropractors by the job title through Facebook. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put the URL to this video in the description below this video so you guys can watch it. It's about 5 minutes long, so I don't want to play the whole thing right now. And then I simply took them to this calendar booking page using Calendly, and they booked a time to speak while they were on the phone. I answered any of their questions and then got them set up for the trial. So if you suck on video, or you're kind of new and you want to try something else, there's a super simple way that just requires a little bit more work. Basically, you go on Groupon for your specific area. So I put chiropractors in Tampa here, and then you scroll through and you look at the chiropractors that are already advertising on Groupon, and you see people. So for example, right here, chiropractic exam and massage with optional neurospinal scan and adjustment for $29. That's actually a really good deal. You see it's been bought over 1,000 times. So I'd call this person up and say something like, hey, I see you guys are running this offer on Groupon. Would you like me to run the same thing on Facebook for you for 1 week for free? and see if you get similar or better results. And then after that, we can talk about working together. Make it very, very clear that what your price is going to be, so there's no surprises later on. And there are some major differences. There are some major advantages to doing this on Facebook. On Groupon, Groupon controls a lot of what's going on. On Facebook, they have full control. So you can just simply go down this list and do this in any city across the country and call these chiropractors up and simply ask to do this for them for free for a week, show them results, and then close them on $1,500 a month. So it's really, really that simple. That's a super beginner method to getting clients. So I used this method. I got to $10,000 a month with these kinds of clients simply with this Facebook ad that I ran. And once I got results, I retargeted people who watched this video with those results in another video. So I said, hey, look what I did for this chiropractor. I noticed that you watched my last video. If you're still interested, I can do something similar for you. Click here to book a 15-minute call. And that's pretty much it. So I will have this funnel within ClickFunnels posted below this video. You do need a ClickFunnels account to take advantage of this. And full disclaimer, I'm a ClickFunnels affiliate, so I do benefit at no cost, extra cost to you, if you do click my link below and get ClickFunnels account. Obviously, you have to stick past the 2-week trial, but if you just want to try it out and see what it's like and try to make money with it, that's perfectly fine as well. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below this video and I will be happy to help. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.